tunawapata within a week.
Mvita MP Abdul Swamad Nasir has differed with coast governors on their call to unite under one coast-based political coalition. Nasir says they have been part of building ODM and there is no way they will leave the party to start another outfit. Early this week, 4 coast governors met in Taita Taveta to chart the way forward for the region. Another meeting has been scheduled for next week in Lamu with a similar focus.
Let nobody tell you otherwise. Musidanganywe hapa. Ati sijui nini nyoto Mombasa. Let them know this time. Mombasa ni tofauti, sio ile ingine. Na mimi nimewaambia hata ODM, chama kile ambaye nimepeleka karatasi zangu za mchujo. I will go all the way, my friend. Nikishinda, waniunge na nitashinda. Na nikawaambia yale majimbo ambayo tumefanya nao siasa, tumewaunga miaka kadhaa. Na sasa watuunge. Tumewasaidia, watusaidie. Tumewabeba, watubebe. Tumewasukuma, watusukume. Shida iko wapi?
Katika walioijenga ODM, Hassan Ali Joho ni mmoja wao ambaye kwamba alioijenga ODM. We will not desert a house that we built to go and build another one from scratch. We deserve to be the leader of that house that we took part and parcel of building. We deserve a seat on top and not to be told that we have to be caucuses so that we can support another candidate. We will not be divided to be caucuses to support other candidates. We will stand firm in this party and we will democratically win the elections from nominations onwards.
Kiambu County Woman Representative Gathoni Wamushomba has dismissed claims